Hello everyone and welcome back to Motors&Me. In this video I will be replacing the standard side indicator lights with LEDs. But first we will have to remove the old ones, and that is going to be a bit tricky because as you can see there's no screws, nothing that would indicate a way how you can remove these. But if you take a look at the new product you can see that there is a clip on this side, and on this side there's a small opening that would slide behind the metal to hold the indicator in place. So we probably want to start by lifting this side up, but we should be careful because if we break this, the indicator won't be able to sit in place and you will be in big trouble. To remove this you will need to use a trim removal tool with a sharp end. If you don't have that, you can use a flathead screwdriver and use insulation tape or a piece of cloth on the sharp end because you don't want to scratch the metal. And so when you have a tool ready, what you want to do is you want to slide the flat end between the metal and the indicator and lift it up. When you succeed in that, you want to push this side a bit towards the back so that you don't break the little piece of plastic that's holding it in place. I have never actually done this, so it can probably go either way, but let's hope for the best. So let's slide it between the metal and the indicator. Oh, that's it. Okay, there we go. Okay, I didn't follow my own instructions. I thought that you need to lift this side up, this one, a bit more, and the clip would come loose. But what you need to do is lift it up a tiny bit, then push this side towards the back until it comes loose, and then you can remove this. Simple as that. How about, let's replace it. Okay, remove the bulb too. Stay. Oh, gotta love this feeling. Oh, yes, 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 yes. And then insert this little cable where the bulb was. Like so, I suppose. Let's see if it works. Oh wow, this is nice. I thought it was different than that. Oh cool. So in the listing of this item it was said that these indicators have a flowing effect, but the pictures seemed like there were just 3 parts, like basically 3 LEDs in this indicator that light up one after another. But this is cool. I didn't expect this. Nice. Okay, let's put it back in. So we will need to screw this in somehow. Ah, okay, there we go. Like so. And let's push it back in. Well, now this side will need to go first. Like so, and then just clip it in. Nice. Alright, left side's done. Let's move over to the right side. Okay, this time I hope I can do things a bit smarter. Let's see. Oh! that was the clip. Oh dear. Oops. Okay. I think I used a bit too much force, or the clip was already loose. It's difficult to say. But either way, I think I can call this video a how not to replace the indicators on a Mark IV Mondeo. Oh well, the clip is now somewhere down there. And I wonder, can we access it? Huh. Yeah, I don't think we can. And even if it's there, my fingers are way too big. But does it matter? I think not. Okay, I guess I won't really need a thing anyway, since the indicator's broken, so... Okay, let's remove this. And the bulb. And then... oh, yes. Feels so good. Does it work? Yes, it does. Awesome. And now let's put it back in. Oh no, not yet. This needs to go in too. Like so. Now. Awesome. I am very satisfied. Oh yeah. Now I just hope that these things will last me a while, because they are from China. But who knows? Let's hope for the best. Now, before I wrap this video up, I do want to mention that I am also planning to replace the headlights. The new headlights will also have LEDs, and matter of fact, they are being shipped right now and should arrive within the next 2 weeks. So stay tuned for that, because I think it's gonna look awesome. But anyways, that's it for this video. Please remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will be seeing you next time. Bye bye.